Protein is an organic compound made up of small units called amino acids. The human body needs 20 different amino acids to function properly, 9 of which are essential and cannot be produced by the body. They must be obtained through food. These amino acids form the building blocks for cells and tissues, making protein a vital component of our daily diet. Why does the body need protein? Proteins play an important and essential role in nearly every part of the body. They help build muscles, skin, hair, and nails, and are also used in the production of enzymes and hormones like insulin and hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood. They are crucial for strengthening the immune system and aiding in wound healing and cell repair. Dietary proteins are divided into two main types. Complete proteins, found in animal products such as meat, eggs, and fish. They are called complete because they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs. Incomplete proteins, found in plant sources such as grains and legumes. These lack one or more essential amino acids, but combining different plant-based sources like rice and lentils can provide a complete protein profile. Let's continue with some foods rich in proteins. Animal sources of protein are considered high quality and are easily absorbed by the body. Some of the best sources include cooked chicken breast, around 31 grams of protein per 100 grams. Lean beef, about 26 grams per 100 grams. Eggs. One large egg provides about 6 grams of protein. Tuna and sardines. Each contains roughly 24 to 25 grams of protein per 100 grams. Egg provides about 6 milk. 1 cup contains about 8 grams. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are also good sources. As for plant-based sources, they are excellent options for vegetarians, including lentils, around 9 grams of protein per 100 grams. Chickpeas and beans, about 9 grams as well. Peanuts and almonds, rich in both protein and healthy fats, offering more than 20 grams of protein per 100 grams. Oats and quinoa contain between 8 to 13 grams, along with fiber and vitamins. Chia seeds and tofu, soy cheese, are also excellent protein-rich plant options. And now, with the best part, how much protein does the body need? The amount of protein a person needs depends on age, weight, and activity level. On average, an adult needs about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. For example, a person weighing 70 kilograms would need approximately 56 grams of protein per day. Athletes or those who engage in intense physical activity may need between 1.2 to 2 grams per kilogram. Thank you for watching up to this point. If you'd like to support our work, feel free to like the video and subscribe. Now let's answer the question everyone's been curious about. Is too much protein harmful? Eating protein in moderate and appropriate amounts is generally safe. However, consuming too much, especially through supplements, may strain the kidneys in some individuals, particularly those with chronic health conditions. So, balance is always key. Protein isn't just for building muscles, it's a key element for nearly every essential function in your body. Choose a variety of sources and, if possible, combine animal and plant-based options. Make sure you meet your daily protein needs because your health begins with your plate.